Hi, Mayuka, good morning. Hi, Mayuka, good morning. Are you ready for making ice cream? Healthy ice cream? Without sugar? Okay. Let's take 4 cups of milk. Nuts to third class. 1 minute. I will add more. You want more? More almonds? You want more cashews? Okay, then add oats. Oats. One more cup also. This is like a 1/4 cup of oats. Then half cup of oats. Hey! Then put the, what is this? Dates. You have to pour it in this one, yeah. Just put it in this. No, not pour. This one you have to put it in this. Okay. Yeah, you have to. Let it soak it for half an hour, okay? Half an hour. Are you? I'm going to close this, okay? Just close it with this. Huh? Then we have to let it soak it for half an hour, okay? Then you have to keep it. Mayu, we forgot to add cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons. 1 minute, don't put it.
Put hand.
Patu, Jay. You can put this chocolate in that. Chocolate in that. Put in that. Put it. Put it.
Another one. It's chocolate. 2 chocolate.
Enough.
Now want some more.
Okay, you want to put more chocolate for your friends? No, enough.
Please. And somebody is to me. Why won't it be? It's 40 years ago.
Emmy ice cream made by Mayuka for her friends.
Yay!
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Yeah, you close it. Emmy ice cream made by Mayuka for her friends. Yeah. Yeah. After 6 hours, we all can have ice cream. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Like,
Subscribe.
subscribe my channel. Like,
Subscribe.
subscribe my channel.